Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today we're going to use hydrochloric acid and magnesium silicide to make silane gas. Check this out. All I'm using in this reaction is elemental magnesium in powdered form, sand, which is silicon dioxide, hydrochloric acid. I'm going to use my heat gun and a test tube. Start by mixing 2 grams of magnesium with 1 gram of sand. Next, you're ready to add your mixture to your test tube. Now we're ready to turn on the heat gun. What's happening now is a reduction reaction where some of the silicon dioxide in the sand is going to react with the magnesium to create magnesium oxide and elemental silicon. So at this point, it's cooled down, and magnesium silicide was also formed during this reaction, and you want to scrape that out. After you've scraped out your magnesium silicide, add it to your beaker of hydrochloric acid to produce silane gas. Silane gas is pyrophoric because when it mixes with oxygen in the air, it can spontaneously combust at room temperature. Okay, for this next step, I'm using 12 molar hydrochloric acid, and I'm going to add our magnesium silicide that we made to see if it'll generate some silane gas that is pyrophoric. Here we go. There we go. Oh yes, lots of sparks. Check it out. Isn't that amazing? Here's a vertical view of it. Definitely generating pyrophoric silane gas. Just awesome. There's a little more. It's like a fireworks show in a beaker. Okay, so what's going on in this awesome reduction reaction is we started out with sand and magnesium. Of course, there's some silicon dioxide in the sand that combined with the magnesium to create magnesium oxide and elemental silicon. And then very quickly, some of that silicon combined with magnesium to make magnesium silicide that we added to our hydrochloric acid. The second part of this reaction is when we took the magnesium silicide that we made in the test tube and we added it to 12 molar hydrochloric acid. That created pyrophoric silane gas and magnesium chloride. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.